Jersey number 19. Pass to number 29. Ga. Pass to Ayala. 2 points for Ayala. First personal foul niya, Mr. Palisok. Ayala. Right. Basket. 2-point lead by Ayala. Team reverse. Last 4 minutes. Ayala nagmamadali. Up. Basket. But there's a foul. Number 4. Second personal foul on you. Oras 3 minutes. Basket. Fifteen to shoot. Last 2 minutes. Ayala, 2 points.
Nasa harap na ako.
Score 18-15 in favor of Quanta Rookies. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Ayala.
Ayala to win. Dino. Kay Ayala. Ayala, diretso. Libre basket.
Kusalay po gagawin ko.
To win. Sorry na agad, 2 points lang. 2 minutes and 15 to shoot. Mr. Padel, pass to Marwada. Si Ayala sa ilalim. Basket. Tamangan ng Quanta Rookies. Sige. Ayala, inikot sa ere. Basket.